The Koala Studio's SewComfort Chair is engineered to last. And once assembled, you can sew or craft comfortably for hours at a time. Assemble your SewComfort Chair by following these quick instructions. You'll need a screwdriver and a hammer to complete assembly. Open the boxes and inspect all of the elements. To construct the chair base, slide the base cover over the chair base. Place the footrest on top of the base cover. There are several holes in the footrest. Those should be face down towards the floor. Insert the piston into the footrest with the silver tip pointing up. Stack the 3 pieces of the adjustable piston cover and place onto the piston. To construct the chair seat, line the 4 holes of the chair control panel with the corresponding holes in the seat bottom. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, screw the chair control panel into seat bottom. Flip the seat over and place it over the fully constructed chair base. The piston will fit into a hole in the center of the chair control on the seat bottom. Slide the chair back into the slot on the back of the chair seat, making sure you have the back facing the right direction. Position the peg into the hole on the back of the seat back and gently tap into place with a hammer. Now, you can adjust the seat height, back, and footrest to your liking, and sew comfortably for hours.